I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kayla. I will be your customer success agent when you come on board. We work with transportation companies of all shapes and sizes, from $3 billion companies like Landstar and Global Trans to small brokers and carriers looking for a better, more effective way to hit their sales goals. We help them grow their revenue tremendously every month by providing closable shipper leads to their inbox daily. If that was not enough, we are also dedicated to creating the world's largest knowledge bank of ebooks, scripts, step-by-step guides, articles, courses, workbooks, and more that you can read to continually upgrade your skills and get high-paying loads when calling shippers. Are you interested in learning more about how we can send you closable shipper leads every day?